Hey, Siler. Are you going to have a birthday party tomorrow? Are elephants coming? They are?
How many?
No.
Nose. Elephants have a nose. Mama has a nose. Are you going to wear shoes to your birthday party? Yeah?
Are you going to invite orangutans to your birthday party?
Papa.
You're going to wear your backpack? Yeah?
Who's going to come to your birthday party? Lilacs? Is Amy coming? Is Geronimo coming?
We don't know Geronimo. Hey, Siler, can you look at me and smile? Take this finger down that mouth.
Give me those fingers. Give me those fingers. Give me.